Click on the link below to get price. The Dazzlingrock Collection 0.40 Ctw 14K Real Solid Gold Round White Natural Diamond piece is a truly stunning addition to any jewelry collection. Upon unboxing, the first thing that strikes you is the exquisite craftsmanship that highlights the quality of the diamonds and the gold. The 14K solid gold setting not only provides a luxurious look but also ensures lasting durability, making it a piece that can be worn daily or saved for special occasions. The design features a round-cut diamond that sparkles brilliantly under various lighting, showcasing its incredible clarity and brilliance. The total carat weight of 0.40 Ctw strikes a perfect balance between subtlety and presence, making it an ideal choice for both everyday wear and formal events. The diamonds are ethically sourced, which adds an extra layer of peace of mind for the conscientious consumer. Wearing this piece feels like a little indulgence, as it draws attention without being overly flashy. The simplicity of the design, combined with the elegance of the diamonds, allows it to complement a variety of outfits, from casual wear to sophisticated evening attire. It can be worn alone or layered with other jewelry for a more personalized look, making it versatile and perfect for any occasion. One of the standout features of this collection is the attention to detail. The settings are meticulously crafted to enhance the stones while ensuring they are securely held in place. Customers will appreciate the thoughtful design that prioritizes both aesthetics and functionality. Additionally, the piece comes beautifully packaged, making it an ideal gift choice for loved ones. Overall, the Dazzlingrock Collection 0.40 Ctw 14K Real Solid Gold Round White Natural Diamond is a remarkable choice for anyone looking to invest in high-quality, timeless jewelry. With its combination of elegance, quality, and versatility, it's sure to become a cherished piece in your collection for years to come.